How to join a Roblox group. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to join a group on Roblox. Whether you're looking for new friends or cool in-game perks, joining a group is a great way to enhance the experience. So let's get started. First, open up the Roblox app, or you can go to the Roblox website on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account before we start. Once you're in, now you can see a group section at the left hand sidebar. Simply tap on it. From here, you can find various groups. You can also simply scroll down and choose for any groups that you want to join in, or you can simply find the search bar at the top of the screen. Simply tap on it and type in the name of the group you want to join. You can search for a group by name or explore groups by category. After you've done that, click on the group name and simply click on join group, and once you've done that, you'll find a notification call or saying successfully joined to the group, and that's it. That's how you can simply join a group in Roblox.